I share with you. Hey, hey, the air we share. Hey, 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 the air. Hey, the guidebooks. Hey, hey, the guidebooks in the box. Hey, hey, the guidebooks on the table. Hey. High device on the table, I don't understand. High device on the table with your extensive guidebooks. High device, high guidebooks. Hi. Hey, conflict that I avoid. Hey, hey, conflict nipped in the bud. Hey, hey, the conflict wrung its neck. Hey, by conflict, by device, by conflict. Hi, ha, the path that I walk. Ha, the door. Hey, hey, the path that I walk. Hey.
Sala riservata 4 snin minn qabel, laureata kana dwar kif tagħmel tfal bla razan, l-għada li titlaq mid-dar tal-ġenituri. Firma bil-permess tal-kappillan u garanzija li l-apokalissi jasal qabel jidħol id-divorzju. Flash ma jaqta xejn ma tar-ritratti, il-fotografu ruffjan f'kull kantuniera, rokna riservata għal kunjati li jibsa perli folozz, ċriket kbar daqs il-pastini. Kju ta' mistednin minn sija jieħdu bit il-kopja l-ġdida. Imissu bidhom dak li jaqqatalla. Fjuri xotti żgħar fis-suvenir, best minn il-lantat jiċċekkja l-whisky. Settijiet tal-kċina, ir-rigali skont il-lista u enveloppi b'ċekkijiet wisq apprezzati. Mill-arajjes midjunin dejn tal-Madonna. Li jekk alla trid ħarisom sa mal-mewt tifridhom b'nofs il-lon probabbli mhux imħallsa u serbut ta' kontijiet bis-surcharge.
Am colindat azi toată ziua galeriile comerciale. Văd în jurul meu numai lucruri. Am rămas cu gândul la ele. Îmi fac rugăciunea și Dumnezeu mi apare sub formă de geantă.
Kull darba li nkun qiegħda nbiddel, tkun fejn tkun viċin jew le, tidħol fil-kamra eżatt fil-waqt u taqbadni b'sidri mikxuf bħal kieku kont jien li sejjaħtlek. Li n-nies ibeżżowni. Wasalt f'punt fejn għadni nilbes mal-moda u lanqas seksi. Għax nibża mill-irġiel li jistuprawni jew forsi noġobhom. Naħrab il-ħars tagħhom. Nibża min-niża għax jekk huma qajjura u kattivi. Kollha kemm huma jafu jisirqu liċ-ċellulari.
Du suddi si parlano chi mano dall'autobus, senza facce, senza corpo, senza meusa, solo i paroli, traiddi, pinnuloni, come palpiti, e tutto intorno, a leggio, s'astuta u silenzio.
بإمكاني أن أكتب نصوصا على جلد الذي أحبه. بإمكاني أن أكتب قصائد تملأ ظهره كاملا ذراعيه وساقيه. بإمكاني أن أرسم لو أردت طريقة أخرى فقط لممارسة الحب.
اكتب ابني لا تقاش مخي مدوشين لكي الكتبة تاجو فيا السوسة ما تقاش
Gishti pest. Lexoj libra 4 sosh. Mu duken si 4 gishta, se cili ruante sekretin e vet, që më qonte në 4 rrugë. Gishti pest ishte i zemrës ashtu si diellin ngjyroste të tjerët dhe mban fshehtësinë e ngrirë si akulli, si zemra e diellit. And the English version of this is like this. The 5th finger, I read books, 4 of them. They seem to me as 4 fingers. Each kept its own secret that led me in 4 ways. The 5th finger was of the heart, as the sun was bathing all others, and kept the frozen secret ice like the heart of the sun.
Bħal idiota mundan interraq fiħdan il-qalb fejn għad irrid imbejjed u nwellet il-ħajja mal-modijiet ċilindri tal-imħabba. Dawk il-qlub kienu rari u iżolati fl-iba tirkejjen tad-dinja. U madankollu, il-galassja tagħna għandha l-pis tagħha u l-missjoni li tostor dak li nixtiequ l-aktar, f'eternità u ftit aktar. Xejn ma jidher sakemm mhux mikxuf, jiena nkxift, kważi tarvint minn kull xewqa, dbattalt mix-xenqat la darba kull silenzju fih iż-żarżira tiegħu u l-widnejn jinfetħu bħal ħalq meta jmissek tlissen xi ħaġa importanti.
Thank you, Claudia. Thank you very much.
And of course, here you are, and you've been living in Gaza now for close to 5 years, I think.
4 years.
4? And so the first thing I wanted to ask you was, what is it that obsessed you with Palestine? Why this obsession? What drew you there?
I think when you look at the Israeli-Palestinian conflict, it has all the ingredients of what makes us human ever since we started calling ourselves human. So there's all the power struggles, the greed, the continuation of an occupation that has been going on for so long as if nothing happened. And I was always fascinated, all this happening in a land that, if you had to look at at least at the Bible, it has always been a land of extremes and radicals and fanatics and luminaries, visionaries. It's all very compressed in a small piece of land.
Sie rent eruit mijn koer vol wask, zwarte lekkings, zwarte dekkings. Zwarte lekkings. Het had geen doel en wij moeten leven waarom naar de morgen dansje een vlam op zijn portret. Post valt net vreugd er door. Held knisterend de mat en het haar kot springt weer op haar schoot. Mijn plantaardig streek verlet je zien wat spiritus hoe de fotoalbums vaagt de jiske van een bril en leest. En leest. En leest. And now you'll get to hear it in Maltese, read by Adrian Grima.
I can't do the same kind of read. Tammar f'dar ħuġġieġa. Tammar f'dar ħuġġieġa, kull maltempata tisraq maduma mill-bejt. Il-kesħa u snina jċekċku. Xi ħadd barra tifassal ir-regoli ġodda traffiku, xwejjaħ jaqdef fuq ir-rota bil-gazzetti imdefsin taħt ħwejġu. I toħroġ basket mimli bil-ħasla, lożor suwed, kutri suwed, imħadda sewda, tara li liqi ħuġġieġa wkoll. Għal xejn toħroġ. Aħjar terġa' lura bejn il-ħitan bil-fjammi jisfnu fuq ir-ritratt tiegħu. Litri jaqgħu bla ħadd ma qallhom. Min ġol bib iħaxxu huma u niżlin bla ma jilqu t-tapit. Il-qattusa taqbes fuq kuxtiha bix-xewqa mejta li jmelsuha. Itferra aktar spirtu tal-ispiritira fuq l-albums tar-ritratti. U taqra, taqra, taqra.
There are too many phone numbers stored in our mobiles, numbers and messages from the dead. We don't dare to delete too many numbers. And there are not enough bottles of wine to keep our horses trotting up and down the boulevard all night. That's why I'm switching to rum. There are too many people. There are not enough cages with canaries for the mine shafts who will have to go down. My mother tries to revive one on the kitchen table, rubbing butter on its beak. Well, there are too many halls and too many paths, so one will be the end of us.
The underground. There we were, in the vaulted tunnel, running. You, in your going-away coat, speeding ahead, and me then like a fleet god, gaining upon you before you turned to a reed, or some new white flower jabbed with crimson. As the coat flapped wild, and button after button sprang off and fell in a trail between the underground and the Albert Hall.
باراشوت. أدرك أنني لم أعد طفلا. لهذا السبب الدب الذي احتفظت به كل تلك الأعوام سألقي به من نافذة الدور السابع بلا رأفة، محتفظا فقط بالحبل الرقيق الذي خاطه أحدهم فوق وجهه على شكل ابتسامة. ذلك الحبل أظن أنني أحتاجه.
Mâna mamei mele e mai aspră decât clanța unei uși cojite. Cu ea ridic singurul premiu câștigat vreodată la o tombolă. Cu ea cumpăr o radieră să șterg fața ei. Fața mamei mele, să o șterg în întregime, lăsând doar ridurile suspendate în fața mea, în aer, ca pânza unui păianjen orb.
Una storia. A mano di Memaci rasca, come a maniglia di una porta caratta. A uso per svintugliare il primo premio, che vinci a lotteria. A uso per accattare una gomma e scancillare, per scancillare a sofacci, a facci di Memaci. A scancello per sempre, la susulu insigne, avanti all'occhi, a mezzo all'aria, come a tila di ragno orbo. Grazie.
Grazie mille.
SOS. Il-vuċi tiegħi hija ħobs b'xejn. Noħlom li nqassama għal pledewa mifluġa tiegħi. Indendilla fuq l-arbli tal-elettriku għalla safar. Innixxifa flok is-soqfa li daqt jaqgħu fuq l-irjus ta' min jgħix taħtom. Nitmaħħa biex intaffi l-ġuħ ta' ħuta qed tmut. Jew ninjetta bħala doża ta' adrenalina fuq kelb. Li l-imbieħ bellusi tiegħu għaddit tricycle minn fuqu meta qasam it-triq flimkien mal-baħbuba tiegħi. Min għalih li kien offa mansa mimlija ħaxix.
I setti. E di carusi non spuntano. A pignate sopra, ma a testo ne. Io sali ciumisi o non ciumisi e mi do l'urinocchio. Da sta casa s'aggiglia. U cani dorme. Come fu che restai sola? Forse da limosina che non fici.
Ora 7 și copiii încă n-au venit. Oala e pe foc, dar unde mi-e capul? Am pus sau n-am pus sare? Și mă doare genunchiul. În casa asta e cumplit de frig. Câinele a adormit. Cum de-am rămas singură? Poate pomana aia pe care n-am dat-o.
Grazie. Io? Tu dopo che è in maltese.
السابعة مساء. ليس من أثر للأولاد وعاء الطعام على الفرن وقد أضفت الملح. هل فعلت ذلك حقا؟ وركبتي تؤلمني. البرد قارس في هذا البيت والكلب غاف. كيف حدث أن ينتهي بي الأمر وحيدة؟ لعلها الحسنة التي لم أقم بدفعها.
7 o'clock. No sign yet of those kids. The pot is ready, but where's my head? Have I put in the salt or haven't I? And my knee hurts. This house is bloody cold. The dog's asleep. How is it possible I could end up alone? Maybe the alms I didn't give.
Grazie. Grazie, grazie, grazie.
Għalik, ħallejt warajja lil-dari. U terġa' qabel, ħallejt il-qamar. U leħen ommi junizla t-taraġ tgemgem. Missieri kien jara li kull flaxija, il-kwiekeb hemm fuq kienu kollha qed jiddu għalija. Dendilt laħmi ma' musmar. Sidri poġġejtu f'kexxun. Nifsi tlaqtu waħdu f'kamra. Iċpipet, l-imsielet, iċwivet. Li ma tmurx tiġini tentazzjoni nerġa' lura bil-mixi, imnezza, b'qalbi biss issus bħala annimal ifittex felli ieħor qamar. Jekk teja, neja, jekk tistrieħ, nistrieħ. Jekk ikun hemm ftit ħobs, jien ma nikolx. Fera fuq oħra bnej dar, u jekk jaqa' l-ksieħ did-dar natija n-nar.
Nizar jikxef lapis lazuli waqt li sirena tanijanja għalila ta' neonu konfetti f'nofs ta' triq għax il-karozzi waqfu il-moturi, l-scooters, l-aeroplani, mux il-vetturi spazjali.
At 8 p.m., the rain started again just as hard. Claire had fed Oceane potato waffles and baked beans, and Oceane was still watching cartoons on TV in her pajamas. Alexander was in his cot under a mosquito net, asleep. His bedroom was at the back of the house, the door ajar. They'd been preparing for a quiet evening when the rain started up again. Josephine was there, in her room next to the kitchen, and she was also watching TV, and Susie was inside under the coffee table moaning with unease at the rain. So I always tell students of mine, just never tell anybody you're writing. Just don't tell them you're writing a book. Or particularly when you're just starting out, just don't tell them you're doing it, because other people like to get involved. And other people like to check up on you, and other people don't realize that books take years to write. So I think having a dual citizenship has helped me stay away from the small place.
Hemm dil-mara eċċentrika daqs Kristu miexi fuq l-ilma. Tikteb poeżiji fuq is-swaba ta' saqajja miżbuha li qatt ma jmissu l-art għax tilbeż raben bil-qijan għolja daqs nofs rasa u aktar. Xara żejnu bir-rix tal-ħamim gris u l-weraq frisk tar-rant u tan-nanieħ. Kuljum bil-lejl toħroġ tkanta fit-tieqa dejjem l-istess qanja antika dwar raġel żagħżugħ li mar jistad bil-lejl u għereq. Mal-ewwel ħil tax-xemx tinfaqa' tibki u l-kulur ikħal midluk taħt għajnejha jinżel maħadda ma' gedduma joqtor fuq sidira fejn iżomm il-pistola biex xi darba. Din hija l-poeżija li kitbet dal-lejl malli ratni miexi faċċata tad-dar tagħha f'Ruggaran.
Terġax tgħaddi minn taħt it-tieqa tiegħi għax naħsbek xi ħadd ieħor u nitolbok titla' fejni. Nurik l-imħabba l-għandi asħab li jitla' jsaħħab fuq is-sodda. Is-sodda tiegħi ktieb mimli bl-iżbalji. Meta naqrah ma nafx nitħaqx jew nibki. U kif tkun hawn nurik ukoll għajnejja nollilek id-dublett u nħallik tara toroq prinċipali lejn il-mewt. Taħsibx li mbagħad se titlaq, li se toħroġ. Għajnejk jixxelfu malli tħares lejja, imbagħad isiru frak kif tara l-bqija.
Xi darba nerġa' ngħaddi minn qudiema, noħdilha bukkett wart u ndendilula ma' sħab skur li telala fuq is-sodda, imbusa fuq ħaddejja u ngħidilha jekk trid aqla lill-lożor ħanimtet.
We need an animal with a letter A. Please, phone in for an animal with an A, she calls out from the TV screen. She wants to make me happy, and I would be happy with her €1,000 cat, rat, puma, zebra, aardvark, giraffe. She wants to make me happy. The money's already burning in my trouser pocket. Please phone in for an animal with an A. Snail, quail, humpback, whale. Every ball we strike is a surprise. Terrified, trembling Tim gets the right answer, only half right, so €30, you idiot. Please phone in for an animal. Jaguar, woodworm, praying mantis. No, please phone in for an animal with an A.
Mis-sistema l-load jgħid il-pjaċir ta' ġelat ta' ċikkolata. Bejn widnejja mużiċist idom il-ħsejjes. Roti, robots bla ċarġ, ippustjati puliti ma jitħarkux. Et il-gar nistenna x-xarabank, miksija l-wien pop, prototip ta' ħelwa enormi, ħirġa minn stoċ mill-fabrika ta' ċikkolata ta' ċali.
Nilqawkom għal din it-tielet lejla ta' 8 edizzjoni tal-Festival Mediterranju tal-Letteratura ta' Malta, organizzat minn inizjament fiħdan il-proġett Literature Across Frontiers. Għadkom kemm smajtu lil Joe De Bono fuq il-pjanu u l-Manuel Pulis fuq id-drums. Fil-programm tal-lum se nisimgħu il-Marija Greganado u lil Nikola Madzirov jaqra l-poeżiji tiegħu u jwieġeb il-mistoqsijiet ta' Glenn Kalleja. Se nisimgħu wkoll lil Albert Gatt jaqra silta mir-rumanz ta' Khaled Khalifa, ir-rumanzier magħruf Sirjan, awtur ta' In Praise of Hatred. Ir-reġim għadu kif ikkonfiskalu l-passaport u ma ħallix jivvjaġġa dan il-festival għaliex kien wieħed mill-mistednin. Nagħlqu din it-tielet u l-aħħar lejla tal-festival b'qari qasir minn kull wieħed waħda mill-awturi mistiedna u bil-mużika ta' Joe De Bono u Manuel Pulis.
Waqt li kont ngħix fl-Arajjex, ħabbat u daħal. Kien imdejjaq għajjien ma setax jorqod. Kellu bżonn ġisem mara. Jien kelli wieħed maqful, mitwi ġo kexxum għall-boċoċ tal-kamla. Ħriġtu, ilbistu u tajtulu. Użaħ u straħ. Mbagħad palli kieku kont frixtu li żar tal-ħarir, bla ebda tħarħira. Rabat.
Milord, c'était à l'époque où je vivais dans les cabanes. Il a frappé à la porte. Il est entré. Il était triste, fatigué, ne pouvait trouver son sommeil, avait besoin du corps d'une femme. Moi, j'en avais un, plié, enfermé dans un tiroir avec des boules de naphtaline. Je l'ai sorti, je l'ai remis, je le lui ai donné. Il l'a utilisé, il s'est reposé. Puis, c'était comme s'il s'allongeait sur un drap de soie. Il s'est endormi, sans le moindre bruit.
Grazie.
We met Khaled Khalifa a year ago at the Hay Festival in Beirut.
And our first encounter with Khaled was on a bus, a coach, actually, that was taking us from the hotel where everybody was staying to the festival venue. And this was a journey of about 9 kilometers, but it took about 3 hours because the traffic was insane. And we were stuck in a traffic jam, and this big, bear-like man with his arm in a sling and his face all bruised suddenly stood up in the bus and smiled at nobody in particular and said, "Smoking time." And he got off the bus, smoked a cigarette, and hopped back on. The bus hadn't moved an inch, and he just sat down and carried on the conversation with the guy sitting next to him. And the next day, over lunch, he told us how he'd come by those injuries at the hands of regime thugs who'd crashed a funeral that he was attending for a friend. And I remember being quite chilled by the tone with which he told his story, because he was so calm. He kind of shrugged it off. And I thought at the time this was a resignation, and then I revised that view. I think it wasn't. I think it was the casualness that comes from a sort of, steadfast bravery in the face of extreme violence that you witness on a day-to-day basis. And it's very difficult for somebody like me to understand. Anyway, Khaled was supposed to be here this evening, but his passport has been confiscated by the regime. And he got in touch a few days ago, and he said, please read from my book, because at least if I can't travel, my book can. So I'm going to read a small bit from In Praise of Hatred. I was very young when I first went to the hammam. I saw bodies shadowed by steam, women of different ages stretching out naked on old yellow stones and releasing faint, insolent laughter, moisture infusing their pores as they opened up with a lust for water. The place choked me. I left our compartment as my aunts and my mother washed and listened to my grandmother's voluble indignation at the early onset of flabbiness in her daughters' bodies.
I've stood on this stage several times before, and somehow I'm always very moved by the experience. As Maria Grecanado pointed out, we met 10 years ago. It's been 10 years. And it was back in 2003 when I met Maria and Emmanuel, who are both wonderful representatives of Maltese writing.
Сенките не одменуваат. Еден ден ќе се сретнеме како бродче од хартија и лубеница што се лади во реката, и немирот на светот ќе биде со нас, со дланките ќе го помрачиме сонцето и со фенер ќе се доближуваме. Еден ден ветрот нема да го промени правецот, брезата ќе испрати лисја во нашите чевли пред прагот, а волците ќе тргнат по нашата невиност.
So, Nicola, you've been called poet, one of the strongest voices in poetry. You're a full-time writer, you're a translator. Do any of these titles make sense to you? Do you identify with one of them more than another?
Yeah. I think that if you want to make something disappear, then name it. So I never consider myself poet or whatever, using some nouns. But if I want to use noun for what I do, I would say reader. Because I think that we read when we write, we read when we translate, we read when we listen.
Fl-aeroport in-nies iddaħħan f'kamra vetrina, akwarju ħut stranieri, min bil-qeda, min bil-wieqfa, min ħosbien, min mitluf jaqra, l-aħbarijiet li ma ħabrulna xejn. u xi romanz bħaż-żobb ta' 50 Shades of Grey, kafe komplut bl-irmiet, mixrub fuq siġġu mdellek, sandwichijiet ħirġin mill-fabrika, koppji mdejqin, bil-qeda, mixtiqin li s-sieħeb jixraq, jew jitlef l-ajruplan, meta jillarga sal-latrina. Xi 5 żewġa ma' ġuvnot, iġġor 10 bagalji, kollha hand luggage. Modella b'sigaretti slims f'pakket pesisa, f'subajam dorrijin jaħtfu s-sigarri. Raġel immuskolat maħruq mix-xemx bit-pinġija daqs wallpaper. Seħbitu b'tunnellata duty free u dwiefer folots. Air hostess tixrob sigarret bil-ħatfa wara one night stand fil-cockpit. Kaptan b'kużak miftuħ jistħajjar nifsu t-tifel ta' banderas. U jien ħabibti mpejjeb sigarret war ieħor f'din litanija ta' sigħat imbeda, nistenna l-ajruplan jieħodni miegħu għandek, nistenna sħab jiftaħ li triq li inti għaddejt minnha.
Whenever I'm changing my clothes, no matter where you are, close by or not, you do enter the room quite unawares and catch me bare-breasted. It is as if I called you.
It's about freedom. Your heart. Your heart is my palace where my spirit bears no shade and stepped in every recess of your celestial realm called freedom. Thank you.
Senza anima sogno, tutta parole. I miei parole non conoscono stagioni, stanno inferno, su piccatori. Io dormo, iddi fanno schifio. Fazzi i conti, iddi non tornano il resto. I rosi sbocciano con sospiro, i miei parole su girasoli, si rapono con una schiglia. Senza anima sono, tutta parole. Le mie parole non conoscono stagioni, stanno all'inferno. Sono peccatrici. Io dormo, loro fanno baccano. Faccio i conti, loro non tornano il resto. Le rose sbocciano con un sospiro. Le mie parole sono girasoli, si aprono in un grido. Grazie.
Parachute. Realizing I'm no longer that child, I throw with no mercy from the window of the 7th floor the teddy bear I've been keeping all those years, taking the fine thread sewed by someone on his face in the form of smile. That thread, I guess I needed.
Ocean nods. She's somehow fooled. That or she's getting it now. No more school. She puts on her blue Snoopy mirrored sunglasses down onto her nose, and she acts as though she knows what's happening, like she knew of this plan all along. She hasn't sailed much, his mermaid child. She's been on 1 or 2 day cruises. They've taken her down the islands a few times. But she'll be fine, he reassures himself, fine as this day. Maybe I should get some sunblock on her nose, she thinks, and with that, he takes his mobile phone out of his back pocket and he tosses it over his shoulder into the sea.
Marcel Forn. Jien u l-baħ tal-baħar jitqalleb ħdejja, il-ħuta toħlom qalb il-ħalel lil, il-ħalel sbieħ oljin perikolużi, fejn hemm dil-ħuta toħlom ħolma ħelwa ta' mistrieħ fil-qieħ sabiħ. Inħares lejn il-baħar ikħal nara dajsa tieħu gost tereq tmiss il-qieħ. La jqum il-lejl biex jorqod kollox, baħar iswed skur daqs il-velu tan-newwieħa. Hemm barra fuq ix-xefaq jibda jidher bħal qafas ta' vapur bl-istilel jiddu, dawl fid-dlam dalma kbira dwali nemnu, it-tokki ta' qampina minn ġol qieħ.
The hall. This net is new. See how perfectly the holes open like little mouths and organs. Pull and feel the tautness of the hemp, knotted together like knuckles holding on, and the net limp when I let go, lying without a man, like a lost woman. Tonight the moon is full. She cries to me to launch my boat and go. Her circle is an order to be gone where all around is silver, and she quivers.
It was spring. It was spring when the invader burned the deeds to the land where we hunted birds, colorful insects, butterflies existing only in old biology textbooks. Many things have changed the world since then. The world has changed many things in us.
So on behalf of the Arabic Culture Information Society, I hope that you enjoyed the last 3 evenings as much as we did, and I hope that you enjoyed the traditional Arab food, which I encourage you to go and have more. Today we also have the pastizzi.
I would like to thank you very much for coming here and supporting this festival. This festival takes a year to prepare. So I would like you to give a huge round of applause for all the organizers, yourselves, for supporting this festival. Thank you very much.